Hello everyone, welcome to Angela Anatomy Classroom. So today we are going to study about the humerus bone. Okay, so humerus bone is also called as the arm bone. It is the longest bone of the body. Okay, it consists of three main parts. If see, this is the humerus. The three main parts are the upper end, the shaft, this is the middle part, and this is the lower end. Okay, so I don't have a real model of a humerus, so I have drawn it on a paper. So the upper end consists of a head. Okay, see, this is the head which is directed medially and somewhat backwards. Okay, and we have here the lower end. It is expanded on the sides and it is flattened from backwards. Okay, also you can find a lesser tubercle and which is followed laterally by the intertubercle sulcus. Now the main point which we have to remember about the side determination is the direction of the head. See, head as this head will always lie towards medial side. See, if it belongs to right side, the head will the head will be directed medially. Okay, so obviously this is belonging to the right side. If we put head towards the medial side. Okay, this is the backward side. We cannot put it like this. All okay. If this is the front side, we would put it like this, head directed medially, and this would belong to right side. The direction of the head could be the main point to identify, as in if you don't know anything, only you remember the direction of the head. That will help you in determining the side of the humerus. Okay, all the other features I have explained you. Let's repeat the lower end. Okay, the sides are flattened, it is backward, the sides are expanded, sorry, and it is flattened from backwards. Okay, we have at the upper end we have a lesser tubercle followed laterally by the intertubercle sulcus. Okay, we have some more points, as in health is directed medially and backwards. I am already telling you this again and again, that head is directed medially upwards and backwards. Okay, lesser tubercle, you can see it is projecting from front side. So these are also the points to identify the side, but the main and the foremost is that head will lie laterally. We need to identify the front side as well, as in how you will know this is front and this is backward. Okay, medial lateral is so easy to find, but how would you know this is front and this is backward? Okay, at the backward side you will find the lower end flattened. Also on the front side you will find the lesser tubercle projects from the front of the upper end and is limited laterally by the bicipital groove or intertubercle sulcus. Okay, so to identify the front side of the humerus, this lesser tubercle and intertubercle sulcus are sufficient, and the backward side would be flattened at the lower end. So this was all about, as in how to identify that this humerus belongs to which side, left or right, which we called as side determination. So I hope you all have understood the facts. There should be no confusion, but if you have any, you can write in the comment section. Also, before leaving, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This would motivate me to bring more informative content and more lectures for you, which may help you in your studies. Thank you very much.